Students, I am Venkateswarlu Mallapuram. In this session, we are conducting a mock test for the chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance, Part 2. In our previous video, we are already completed Part 1. If you like this video, please share, comment, like and subscribe to my channel. So in our previous video, we are completed up to 25th question. The next question is 26. Angle between successive pairs of nucleotides in DNA. Angle between successive pairs of nucleotides in the structure of DNA. The right option is 36 degrees angle. In between two successive nucleotides, the angle is 36 degrees angle. Why? Because one helix contains 360-degree angle in DNA. So helix contains 10 nucleotides, base pairs. So 360 divided by 10, that is equal to 36 degrees angle. Question number 27. In a nucleotide, nitrogen base is attached to the sugar at, the right option is fourth one, first carbon. Nucleotide nitrogen base is attached to the sugar at first carbon. Question number 28. Kinds of monocyclic bases in nucleic acids. Kinds of monocyclic bases in nucleic acids. So total nucleic acids are 5. Purines are 2. Pyrimidines are 3. Purines are adenine, guanine. Pyrimidines are thymine, cytosine and uracil. These purines AGs are dicyclic and pyrimidines are monocyclic compounds. So the right option is 2. Question number 29. Uracil differs from thymine in, the right option is 1. Lacking methyl group. Lacking methyl group. Uracil differs from thymine in lacking methyl group. Question number 30. In prokaryote, DNA is, the right option is double stranded. Actually, in prokaryotes, DNA is double stranded, circular, naked genetic material. Question number 31. In E. coli, in Escherichia coli, the options are, once read. DNA is scattered through the cell. DNA is held with some proteins in the nucleide. DNA is associated with histones. Nucleus is absent. Which one is correct one? So the right option is 2. DNA is held with some proteins in the nucleide. Question number 32. The term genophore refers to, first option, circular DNA of prokaryote which lacks chromatin organization. Second option is nucleosome of eukaryote. Third option, group of ribosomes. Fourth one is false nuclei. So genophore refers, the right option is 1. It is a circular DNA of prokaryote which lacks chromatin organization. So circular DNA is present without chromatin. Question number 33. According to Chargaff's ratio, first option is A plus T equal to G plus T. Second option, A plus T plus G is equal to C. T plus A equal to C. Fourth option, A plus G divided by C plus T equal to 1. So the right option is fourth one is right option. A plus G and C plus T ratio is equal to 1. So according to Chargas formula, it is applicable to double stranded DNA. Double stranded DNA. So according to Chargas ratio, A plus G, adenine plus guanine, is equal to thymine and cytosine. So number of adenine guanine is equal to number of thymine and cytosine. Thymine and cytosine. So AGs are purines, TCs are pyrimidines. So number of purines equal to number of pyrimidines. So A plus T is not equal to G plus C. A plus T is not equal to G plus C. So number of adenine equal to number of thymine, number of guanine equal to number of cytosine. So it is this formula applicable only for double stranded DNA only. Double stranded DNA only. So number of adenines equal to number of thymines. Number of guanine equal to number of cytosine. Very important. So 33 right option is fourth one. See question number 34. Repeating units of chromatin are called. Repeating units of chromatin are called. Right option is 2. Nucleosomes. Nucleosomes. Question number 35. Type of histone not found in the nucleosome core. Type of histone not found in the nucleosome core. What is that? So right option is 35. Fourth one, histone 1. Histone 1. So the remaining proteins H2A, H2B, H3, these are present in structure of nucleosome. Only H1 protein present outside the nucleosome. Question number 36. Part of DNA which joins the two nucleosomes is. Part of DNA which joins the two nucleosomes is. So the right option is 3. Linker DNA. In between two nucleosomes, linker DNA is present. In that region, H1, histone 1 protein is present. Question number 37. Each histone core is wrapped by how many turns of DNA? Each histone core is wrapped by how many turns of DNA? The right option is 1. It means 2 turns of DNA is wrapped around histone core, that is nucleosome. Question number 38. Number of H1 proteins associated with a chromatin fiber having 10 nucleosomes. Number of histone proteins associated with a chromatin fiber having 10 nucleosomes. So right option is 10 H1 proteins. So 10 nucleosomes are associated with 10 H1 proteins. Question number 39. Nucleic acids were discovered by. Nucleic acids were discovered by. Right option is Right option is 3. Frederick Mixture. Question number 40. Characters are transferred from parents to offsprings through. Right option is D. 2. That is DNA. Question number 41. DNA is present in. Right option is 4th one. All of the above. Nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria. Question number 42. The amount of DNA in a diploid cell is. The amount of DNA in a diploid cell is. The right option is 2. The amount of DNA in a diploid cell is constant for a given species. It is constant. Question number 43. Prokaryotic genetic material possesses. Prokaryotic genetic material possesses. The right option is 1. DNA without histones. DNA without histones. Question number 44. Prokaryotic DNA is. It is. Right option is 4th one. Double-stranded circular DNA. Double-stranded circular naked DNA. Question number 45. According to the Chargaff's law, the right option is 4th one. Ratio between AG equal to CT, that is A plus T and C plus T ratio, that is equal to 1. Question number 46. In DNA, if 10% of guanine is present, how much thymine is present? The question is, in DNA, if 10% of guanine is present, how much thymine is present? So, guanines are 10%. Guanines are 10%. So, according to Chargaff's law, in double-stranded DNA, number of adenine equal to number of thymine and number of guanine equal to number of cytosine. So already in the question, guanine, percentage of guanine is 10%. So it means cytosine is also 10%. Then percentage of adenine is 40%. And thymine also 40%. So totally 100%. So guanine, if guanine 10%, adenines are 40%, cytosines are 10%, then thymines also 40%. So according this, the question is how much thymine is present? How much thymine is present? So that is nothing but right option is 40%. Right option is 40%. Question number 47. If 30% of an organism's DNA is thymine, if 30% of an organism's DNA is thymine, then, so options are, observe the options, 70% is purine, 20% is guanines, 30% is adenine, both 2 and 3 are correct. Which one is the right answer? So thymine is 30%. He given thymine is 30%. It means according to Chargaff's law, A adenine equal to thymine, guanine equal to cytosine. So already in this thymine is given, that is 30%. Then adenine also 30%. So cytosine 20%, guanine 20%. So totally 50-50, total 100%. So the right option is fourth one. Both 2 and 3 are correct. 2 and 3. Guanines are 20%. Adenine is 30%. Guanine is 20%. Adenine is 30%. Question number 48. You are studying a bacterial virus and found its base composition to be adenine 22%, thymine 28%, guanine 20%, and cytosine 30%. What is your conclusion regarding its genetic material? What is your conclusion regarding its genetic material? So read the question carefully. Adenine 22%, thymine 28%, guanine 20%, cytosine 30%. So read the options. First option single-stranded RNA, second option double-stranded RNA, third option single-stranded DNA, fourth option double-stranded DNA. So in this question, thymine is present. Thymine is present. So it means thymine is not present in RNA. In the place of thymine in RNA, uracil is present. So the genetic material is not RNA. So two options are eliminated. So the remaining two are single-stranded DNA or double-stranded DNA. According Chargaff ratio, it is purines are equal to pyrimidines. Purines equal to pyrimidines. So adenine 22%, then thymine also 22%, but the number is unequal. Adenine 22%, thymine 28%. Guanine G equal to C according to Chargaff's law, but here G is 20%, C is 30%. So number is unequal number. It means it is not belongs to double-stranded DNA. So fourth option also eliminated. So remaining option is third one is correct. Third one is correct. So right option of 48 question. The right option is 3, single-stranded DNA. Question number 49. Genetic informations are carried in the form of long chain of molecules made of. Genetic information are carried out in the form of long chain of molecules. They are made of. Right option is third one. They are made of nucleotides. 15th question. Nucleotides on hydrolysis does not give. Nucleotides on hydrolysis does not give amino acids. The right option is amino acid. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.